Our new copper mesh just arrived. We got the Californistan brand off of Amazon. Thought I'd just do a little open it up on camera. I like to see those videos. They help me decide if I want to get the product or not. Mainly just seeing how it's packaged, what kind of quality it is, and then just seeing the product yourself is always super, super helpful. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. Here's a look at the mesh. It's actually really soft to the touch. It's not like spiky and you don't gotta worry about getting cut and all that. There's a look at the roll of mesh. And the mesh itself, solid, happy with that. And then you also get a pair of scissors right here. Where are these open? Right here. Decent pair of scissors. And then you also get a pair of gloves. There's a look at the gloves. And I'll throw this on my hand so we can see how it fits. I just have like an average sized hand for a man, and these fit nice. If you have really big hands, I could see these maybe being slightly small on you, but if you've got a little bit bigger than average hands or average hands, these will work just fine for you, and obviously smaller hands as well. So nice little kit right here, gloves, scissors, and the copper mesh.